Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you come across this video. Me na KONGOSSIP TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way they come for this channel, please enter, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. Of course, grab a popcorn and a seat, make we talk. So my people, the matter we take the ground about this our papa in the Lord, late Prophet TB Joshua, we passed on the 5th of June 2021. The candlelight procession for the late Prophet TB Joshua, it starts yesterday, 5th of July 2021. My people, a lot of people come out, although they be talking a private event it go be, but people no sit quiet. Una Sabina, it will be a man of the people, so people come out, see on they post around, they parade, they give their own attributes. Una sabi how it's them. My people, this na the event where kickstarts the burial of the Nigerian pastor, televangelist and founder of the Synagogue Church of All Nations, where he died last month. Him death shocked people and caused reaction from his congregation and leaders from around the world. Although the church no reveal the cause of him death, for statement, the Synagogue Church of All Nations them talk say God don't take him servant Prophet TB Joshua home, as it should be by divine will. He spent his last moments on earth in the service of God. This now waiting them born am for, he live for and he die for. As Prophet TB Joshua, they always talk, the greatest way to take use life na to spend them on something where you go outlive am after you don't die. My people, the matter can come. Prophet TB Joshua in live legacy of service and sacrifice to God kingdom, where he go continue to live on for generations yet unborn. My people, if you dey here you no know details for Prophet TB Joshua death or burial, I go take give am for you. They say details of other events for TB Joshua burial as such. All day tribute service go happen on Tuesday 6th of July from 10 a.m. for the Synagogue Church of All Nations, Lagos, Nigeria. All night praise service go happen from midnight to 6 a.m. on Wednesday 7 July for Synagogue Church of All Nations. On Thursday July 8th, lying in state service go happen for the Synagogue Church of All Nations from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. This service they open to the general public for people to pay their last respects to the late man of God. Laying to rest service and intermittent of the Synagogue Church of All Nations leader go happen on Friday 9th of July, and of course Thanksgiving go follow on Saturday 11th of July. My people, and the program that way it take day. I go leave the tribute for here, make una the read and by una self, my people, and I go leave the video. Me una self take the listing how people take the talk, the kind man wey Prophet TB Joshua or our late papa in the Lord it take be. But before you won't go, I beg, if you dey here you never subscribe, what you dey wait for? Just smash that red subscribe button and turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload the video you go be amongst the first to be notified. I thank you for all the support wey una dey give me. I go see una on my next video. One love, ciao.
We still have people around the church. We don't have people crying today, but they have accepted their faith and they are around the church services preparing to move to the venue of the candlelight service. People are taking pictures. I'll be taking you through everything that will be happening here. From here we'll move to where the candlelight service will be held for. Yes. As you can see, we have them holding banners. We have them in uniform wearing good night. Okay.
We are here to celebrate the life and death of Papa for all he has done for us in our street and every other community outside and within Nigeria.
Okay, what can you say about the late TB Joshua?
If I'm allowed to say something about Baba, even till tomorrow I'm still talking, because I've known Baba right from the time I was 15. That was when they started the, what do we call it, the mountain. Then we used to go there to park sand. And then Baba used to entertain us right from that time. And he has still been entertaining us. Normally provide for the needy, those that are in need of help. You don't need to know him. Once Baba see you and they can observe you very well, he will give you whatever you need. People normally line up at Achigiri on the way to Sede bus stop just to have a glance of Baba. And once they see Baba, Baba is always ready to do something for them. And there's another thing about Baba. Baba is not after the fact that you are a Muslim or a Christian or you are from another religion. Once you are there, Baba will help you. He helps both the young and the old and so on. Thank you very much.
And the widows. All right, thank you so much. We are so sad. And the widows. Okay. Good evening, Ma.
Good evening.
Please, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Oluwafunke Akinleye from Ogbewi Street.
Okay.
Agodo.
Okay, Ma. So what do you have to say about Baba and his life?
Baba is a nice man. He's a man of God. Baba is a person that God chose for this generation. Baba is somebody that when you meet him on the road, sometime when Baba is coming, Baba will come down at Ajishegiri Junction and be trekking when you meet and say, Papa, Papa, Papa. Anything that Papa have in his hand, he drop it. When we go to his gate, he used to help us a lot. Papa used to help many people. Many people eat from Papa's table, including the widows, the orphans. So Papa is a nice man. He's a man of God. I thank God because this time, God really know what's doing that it took Baba. But if Papa is still around, you don't know what will happen. But I glorify the name of the Lord in the life of Baba Temitope Balogun Joshua. I glorify my God in his life.
Okay. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, man. So, sir, good evening. What's your name?
My name is Fakole Kayoto.
Okay. Are you a member of this church, and what do you have to say about it?
I'm not a member of this church, but I would say partially I'm a member of this church. Because when the church started at Agodo there, we were the first set of children department there. Whenever they cook then, we always go there to eat. They give us food, they give us many things that we eat there, and they always give us gifts then. So that's why I can say that, because I will say that I'm partially. Because as you start talking now, time will go. Okay. Because when I heard of his death, it pains me a lot that so a good man like this can die. Because whenever they ask me, I can't even say maybe a person like him can die. But all glory be to God that the little time he spent with us in this life, everybody felt his presence.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'll meet you at the mountain. I'll meet you at the mountain.
My name is Isholabamdele. I'm based in Kano.
Okay,
but
sir.
I know the value of Prophet TB Joshua. He's a real command of God. He has helped many lives. If Nigeria can have this command of God like 5, this country, the poverty of this country will reduce. And I want to thank a prominent man of God in this nation, Prophetess Kabiara, for being here to condole with his TB Joshua wife. The God Almighty will bless that. Yes, Kabiara. Okay. He's the only man of God that came to Synagogue Church of Foundation, a popular man of God that came to console synagogue wife. May God Almighty bless Prophet TB Joshua and his family.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So we are still live at Synagogue Church, and I will be showing you around. We are about to move to the prayer mountain where the candlelight will be officially held for the man of God. As you can see, we have people around the church. We have women, we have men, and I'll join you very soon.